So now moving forward to the two things which you may like. Next will be the Magic Grab. So Magic Grab is all about making any image editable. So how you can do that? For example, you have an image. If you want to grab elements from the image itself, you can easily do that with the help of Magic Grab. Magic Grab usually available whenever you can select any element, like here. If you click on this and click on Magic Grab here, so what it will do is it will analyze your image just like this, and you can grab here and just the way it is, and you can see that the background of the image will be same as like that. And now let's add another page and search for any image out there. So this is the image which we have selected, and now click on edit photo, click on Magic Grab. So let's see it if it can. Yeah, so it will select all the elements that can be easily be grabbable from our pic, and you can easily do that with the help of this, and your background will be stay intact like that. And we'll add another example. If we will add another example, let's searching for the person, and if we search for the photo, clicking on the photos, so there are many stuffs are out there, but we want something that is grabbable. So here's the pic of gentleman, and let's click on the edit photo, click on Magic Grab. So what Magic Grab will do is I will select that out, and the background will stay intact. So that's how you can use the grab